What's up, Vetters? Patrick here with Vetted. Yes, I shaved. Don't worry, it'll grow back. Now, I have two UFO videos that have gone viral that I'm going to be sharing today. One from Poland and one from North Carolina, just taken in these recent days. One of them is a little more anomalous than the other, but would definitely love to get your opinion on these. So why don't we just jump in? Let's start with the one from Poland. This is the information I have on it from this Reddit post right here. The user Paranormal Napolska writes, I don't know what this is, but it's worth our attention. Poland, Nawi, I don't know if that's how you say it, Targ, today. So it says time, April 15th, 2025, 8 p.m., location, Poland, Noe, Targ, Nawi, I don't know how to say that. Observed today in Noe, Naui, Targ, Poland. I received the video from one of my readers and shared it on Facebook. Some people believe it might be a military exercise or possibly parachute jumps. However, I've never seen any military drills like this since I started following this topic. But maybe I just haven't seen enough in my life. Many local residents witnessed it. I'm waiting for more footage to come in. Now, let's take a look at this video, and then we'll look at it together. Here you go. Now, before we take a look at this video together, please hit that like button, Vetters. That really helps out the videos. And of course, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos about the UFO topic and other corresponding topics every single day, y'all. All right, let's get this going. Let's watch it together. All right, so at first glance, you can see this is in some sort of downtownish area, if you will, right? In the city, let's put it that way, where there are other lights and maybe an airport nearby or other things like that, right? And we do see the lights center frame. Thank goodness that they filmed it in landscape. I love when they do that, right? If you film your UFO videos, y'all film them in landscape like this. Don't film them in portrait mode. That just it makes it a lot harder. So do it in landscape, which they did. Okay, great. So far so good. And I can see some lights right in the distance right here. Okay, what is that? Multiple lights even. Right. So 25-second video. So it's not that long. But let's just kind of go along here with it. Right. All right. So they zoom in, and this is this doesn't necessarily mean anything wrong with what's in the video, but why zoom in and then keep it framed left? You know, frame it in the middle. I can't see what's going on over there. Why wouldn't you zoom in and it's almost like it's on a tripod or something? I don't know what kind of camera this is. It's not really revealed, but it's an interesting zoom in for sure. Doesn't feel like, I can't tell, right? Again, why is it over here? Why zoom it over? What are you doing? You know what I mean? Is that just me? What's going on here? Now it sort of turns it over. But you can see it moving a little bit here and stuff. So I don't know if this is on a tripod. Right? See the way it's moving? It does look handheld. But again, why not move it to the center of the frame? This is the first, just weird. I'm not saying it's a red flag. I'm just saying it's weird. But let's pay attention to the lights blinking. All right? What's going on here? So that one just came in. They're kind of all blinking out in and... Oh, another one just came in. It's almost like, see how they're coming in like a rotation or something. So I don't see them blinking out and then coming back in. It's like the ones that blink in do eventually blink out, but then they're gone, and there's some sort of like semicircle thing happening, right? Let's take a look again. You can kind of see that. Right? Like, for instance, these two that go out, they don't come back in, but this one does. And you can see another one here, another one here. It's definitely a lot of lights. Another one back there. All right, that one kind of did. I don't know. Could these be flares? Planes flying in some sort of a formation? Again, why do the weird... And then it switches to this. Right? This darkness all of a sudden. when they zoom out, and then they zoom. See, that's weird. That makes me think they're filming inside. Does that make sense? I think they're filming inside from their apartment or something. But if we start at the beginning here, look, this looks like it's outside, right? Unless this is a corner apartment building here. You can see cars like it's a parking lot down here. I don't know. It's just oddly filmed, in my opinion. Let's watch it again here. I don't see it doing anything of the, quote, 5 observables, right? Moving in such a weird way. I mean, it's literally just lights in the sky blinking. Right? It's really... And then that's so weird. Don't know what kind of camera. I mean, the zoom in is horrible. Right? That... And maybe, look, this person just isn't familiar with dealing with this type of thing. Right? So, all right, fair enough. All right, so to me, I don't really see anything too anomalous, but I guess there's something, maybe some blinking lights. I guess that's what it's come to with UFO videos. It's just blinking lights and can't really tell anything. That's why I do feel context is more important. We don't get more context with this, right? Unfortunately. But I think the way they zoomed in and the way it's just not, they didn't film it well at all. Now, that's nothing again. I mean, not everyone needs to be a perfect cinematographer filming the next Christopher Nolan movie. I get that. But center frame, I mean, at least they filmed it landscape. But yeah, it just seems, I don't know. It could quite literally be just planes or flares or something, or a drone show, or I don't know, some sort of military exercise if there's a military base nearby. I don't know, right? But what I don't see is anything, in my opinion, that resembles like an alien craft. But again, without the context, it's hard to really know what's going on here. So let me know in the comments what you think. Have you seen something similar to this? Do you have a video like this, right? So let me know. Now, let's move on to video number 2. All right, so this next video was put up by Mere Curiosity, and they write, "Is this a common sighting? Time, 5:15 p.m. Location, Charlotte, North Carolina." They write, "Is this a common sighting? Has anyone has any clue what that is?" Right? And we'll take a look at the video here in a second, but there's no more information on this. So we don't get any other context to what they're seeing, right? So look, as always, let's play the video, and then we'll take a look at it together. Now, real quick, before I start the video, just know there's no sound with this. So I've added just a little music just to, kill the silence. All right. But again, there's no sound. I've added this music. Now, before we take a look at it together, let me play it one more time for you, but zoomed in so you can see it a little bit better. All right, so let's take a look at this together. Now, the first interesting thing about this is this was uploaded as a GIF, not a video, which is probably why it has no sound, right? And there's no pause, play, buttons, nothing, right? So very interesting. So let's start from the beginning. I basically just have to reload the page, right? So, but this is it, right? Something floating in the sky. Looks interesting. Wow, what is this spherical looking thing you know, that's floating by. It kind of gets lost in the trees, right, a little bit. Just trying to stay with it. Seems like it's a windy day, right? Pretty windy day. Now the object is going to come from behind the trees again, moving at the same rate of speed like it would with the wind, because if you ask me, that's a balloon. Not trying to be Mick West or whatever. I honestly have no problem with Mick West, but, you know, the truth is that's a balloon, y'all, if you ask me. I mean, clear as day. I can't believe this went viral, in my opinion. But, again, it's kind of what we're left with at this point. It is daytime. It does nothing anomalous. The wind is clearly moving in that direction. You can see from the trees. And I have filmed balloons before like this, and it looks just like that. And if you zoom in enough, you can actually kind of see it's a balloon. It's literally a balloon, right? So, you know, I don't know what else to say here. There's really not much to go over. Now, if you think I'm wrong, absolutely. Let me know in the comments. Put down below what you think this is. I, for one, just think this is a balloon. But these are the type of things that go out. And, you know, it is what it is. The reason I cover them is because they go viral and people are talking about them. That's why I show them, right, to kind of maybe give you a little better understanding. And maybe people are afraid to say it's a balloon because immediately as soon as you say balloon, people are all over you. Okay, Mick West. Okay, this. Okay, that. And it's like, whoa, if it's a balloon, it's a balloon. Why can't we say that? Why can't we say that, right? You should be allowed to say, one, what you think it is, and two, if you think it's something prosaic. Doesn't mean you don't believe in the phenomena. Doesn't mean you don't think there's, right, anomalous objects in the sky. It just means this particular one is not anomalous. This clearly, to me, is a balloon that got let loose, or this person let it loose. I don't know, right? Again, no context. It's uploaded as a GIF, no sound. Were they at a birthday party? That's why there's no sound. It looks like they're maybe at a park or something. Again, what are the details? We have no context. See, missing context hurts both ways. It hurts if you're trying to prove it's anomalous. That actually hurts it. Doesn't help it, right? And I don't suggest uploading videos like this as GIFs at all. I don't think that's a good idea. So anyway, you guys let me know what you think in the comments of both videos. I found the Polish one to be a little more anomalous, but not by much. I don't really see any. I don't know. It's hard to tell what's going on there. So let me know what you think in the comments. I'll put links down below if you want to go check these out on your own. Otherwise, vetters, we'll see you on the next video. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Peace!